Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your portfolio onto your Fiverr account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website. Go ahead and use your credentials if you haven't done so already and then log into your account. And once you are logged into Fiverr, you will be taken into the homepage. If you wish to edit or add your portfolio, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. You will now be taken into your profile page. If you scroll down from your profile, you will see your description, your languages, skills, education, as well as certification option. You can click on the Edit button for your description and you can add your portfolio information within this section as well. You can also add your languages and then your skills within the respective sections. If you have any certifications, click on the Add option alongside certification and you will be able to add the information about this certification within your account. If you wish to add multiple other stuff, you can click on Become a Seller and then continue forward in order to make a gig profile. Once you fill up all of your personal info, you will be able to fill up your portfolio within the Professional Info section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your portfolio onto your Fiverr account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.